to another video. Today we are exploring the new Animal Company update. Same on your channel. So you can check his view on his channel and my view on my channel. Which, you're watching my view right now. So. Ah! Bro! Blueberry! Ow! Doesn't do any damage. So we're gonna go to the office. And I think that's where it is.
Office is over here,
Dinosaurus
VR.
I am Dinosaurus VR. Hang on, I'm gonna go find a glow stick. Oh!
What's this?
There's just a random glow stick floating here. So.
Oh, that's where the mountain used to be.
Where are you?
High and far away in a mountain pass, miles of miles upon high.
Ah, yeah, I totally believe in you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Mango is a lot better on parkour.
Tiki, tiki, tiki. Ah, radiation.
Where are you?
I'm in the pipe. Pipe.
You're inside
Right
of the
here.
pipe?
Roton.
This pipe?
Yeah. Radiation.
Bud.
Amazing. It's dark. Okay, it's not. Okay,
Yeah, it is. That's why I brought a glow stick.
Nice.
Always come prepared.
Ooh.
I think
This reminds me of the clown cave from the circus update.
Oh yeah. This. Okay.
Oh no,
Wait.
chicken.
Chicken.
Water gun.
No.
Bloop, 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 bloop. Ah! Ah! I forgot how the chicken is so strong. Yeah.
Why are there so many chickens?
Oh, there's bear traps. Ooh! Ah!
Where are you?
500.
I'm not going near that.
Ooh! Stinky water. Ah! Ooh! It's a giant.
It's a giant.
Oh, God.
How am I supposed to fill out my remover gun?
Oh no!
Come on.
Everyone's favorite monster is here. Go this way. Wait a minute, I can get on top of these, can't I? Okay.
Alright, so, yeah, where are you?
Right here. Snipe.
Yeah, I'm out of water.
Snipe.
Don't waste your ammo. We need to find a water source.
No, tell me we don't have to go through there. Hold on. I'm going to go here.
Shoot it.
Okay, never mind. Ooh la la.
Should we shoot it?
Yeah.
He can't get up.
Shut up. No! Okay. I thought I was trapped. Do you know the way? Not know the way. I do not know the way. Hold on. Yes. Oh, that's a rock that the ginormous drop.
Hang on, where are you? Okay, there you are. Ready? Let's go. I think that all this water is poisonous, so parkour.
Really?
Wall climb.
Nah, I don't think it was poisonous, actually.
What?
I think it might have been a little toxic. Ooh, aw, look at this. Whoa, why are you...
Do not enter.
Bro, this...
Stop it. We
No,
can
this-
enter because we work here at the
Okay.
company.
This skull is like crossing his arms like he's mad. I'll make you happy and go this way, okay?
Yeah, let's make...
These must have been for people going out, so... Yeah, we're safe.
Yeah, we're safe. Wait, talk.
Oh, it's not recording.
No,
Yeah,
I can't hear you in
yeah.
game. There you go.
Okay.
All right, now you can hear Mango.
Yeah, just what I thought. Those things are bushes.
Ah!
Canopy!
Oh, I burned my booty. All right, I
Canopy!
think we
Canopy!
should go this way.
Canopy! Canopy!
Canopy, canopy. It's canopy.
Say that one more time.
Canopy, canopy.
Headshot.
Ow. Wait, can we purify the water?
Ooh, what's this?
No.
Ah, okay.
Did that deal damage?
No. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Ah. No, run! Run! On you! Yeah. We should bring a weapon.
Stay there, stay there.
Ooh, ketchup.
I should have brought a weapon.
Well, you did. Yo, here, try to come back up. Well, then dodge it, ogre, bruh. Yeah, and I'll get some, bigger broccoli. A pistol. Pop, pop, pop. Wow. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Bum, ba, bum. Ba, da, bum, 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 ba, bum. Well, somebody was adventurous enough to go first. I baited a
Teleported.
Don't you want your little ones?
No. They're useless. This
The
is
water
where we
guns?
eat. This is where we eat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 2.
Here, shred this.
No. Throw it away.
Oh, I had some more ammo. Shred it.
Broton, eat. Ooh, skeleton. Go to sleep.
Where's my other one? I can't find my other one.
Broton, it's right here.
Hmm?
Now go. Where'd you go, bro?
Right here, I think I told you.
Ah, there's 2 of those worm things. Everybody's favorite one. Favorite. Okay. What?
I'm right here.
Bye.
Need reviving? I'm having a little coincidence.
Bro had a meltdown.
Thank you, sir.
Of course. Ooh. Ah. Yo, come on, go. Ah, I came small mid-air and then I canceled out my momentum and then I fell.
It needs a key. Yeah, let me come. I'll distract them.
No.
Find the key.
Ah. Yo. What's up?
I'll revive you. Come here, come over here and give me your gun.
No, it's too dangerous.
What's too dangerous? This?
Yeah, my body's right there.
Bruh.
I told you shouldn't. They're gonna get you up there.
Okay, this time we need a lot more weapons.
Or we need a lot more speed.
Alright, guys.
Equal.
Teleported.
Holy. Okay. Yo, what if it's just like, what if it's just the code to like the normal thing? No. Where we're at 75558 7885 5887.
1, 2, 3, 4. Try 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. No.
Okay. We need to find code.
Burn risk. F7.
Yeah, it's just the
Yeah.
You don't need F.
I got an idea. We got it. Yeah, let's check over here.
Yeah, find like these notes and stuff.
I want to
Now we made it to this elevator.
Arr.
Temporarily out of order. Now do we have to go past this
What about
thing?
this one? I think. Nope. Parkour. What if we die here?
Well, I would be extremely mad that we died here. Although we do. It doesn't do unlimited damage, don't worry. Facility access.
Security. No.
Oh my god.
Wait, it's turned off.
It is?
Yeah. That's cool. That's good.
Hey, look it. They renewed everything. Alright, click the button. I'll be able to.
Okay, safe. Ooh, elevate that.
Click the button.
Let's go, cadet. Shoo! To infinity and beyond.
Do that.
Wow.
Whoa.
No, stay up high.
It's a hallway.
Wait, really?
No, really? Yeah.
Hold on. Oh, that's a teleport back. Wait, what? Wait.
Is it?
Yeah, let's test that out last, just in case.
Alright.
I'm gonna press the button. Oh. It's out of order. Run! Ooh! This looks really...
Looks safe. Oh, it doesn't look like somebody rage quit in here.
No.
Let us out.
Crowbar.
Huh. Maybe we have to break it. Like, boom.
Oh yeah, I can break it. Yo, I broke it. Wait!
Oh. Says that we need something to enter right
Not
here.
the secret
And then we
serum.
can fall.
No.
No, it says that we need to enter
Oh, wait,
something.
wait, here. Looks like it could be in here. Hope there's not any, like, monsters. No! The Segway would be here, I'm pretty sure.
Segway, what's that?
Yeah, like the thing where you turn around and it goes towards you.
Oh, yep. Segway, yep.
Did I just find a giant egg?
Bro, it's a giant golden egg. Do you still have the crowbar?
Oh my gosh, run! Run back. I'm at the museum.
I'm also.
Oh, wait, I have a good idea. Hold on. Time. Come over here. Dino, come on. Right to the Dino. Come on. Okay. Alright. Stay there. Here, bring your ghost back here. Because it's faster and gonna be easier. Where is it?
I'm here.
I know.
Go revive me. It's the robot that killed me.
Come on. Run.
Run!
I'm almost dead. Come on, just go.
The super sofa. Alright, let's go.
What if this doesn't work? What if the crowbar just like doesn't? But then what if that doesn't work? We're fried. Alright, I'm here. Bet. Oh. Alright.
Big Brain. This is a place called Big Brain.
It doesn't work.
Darn better.
Kind of fat.
I wonder how we do it then. What are we supposed to do here
There's
then?
probably something here that could help.
Don't want.
Oh, my headset is very low, it says. Anyways. Just say you would. Wait, I think I found it.
You did?
Yeah.
What did you find? Where are you?
Go back to the animal cage thing, whatever.
Alright.
Now come over here. Do you see it? With like the... No, it's not, no, it's in the museum, Sam. Or Dino. And the bots killed me. The bots. I'm right here, right here. It's right here.
Do we grab this? What do we do?
Oh wait.
Do we need something?
Mhm.
Oh, I opened it! And then it's like...
We got it.
What one was this? What is this?
It's the DNA thing. Come on, go. What if my headset dies?
I hope not. Plug it in. Get a power bank or something.
And I already used it. It's at 4%. Wrong way. I think we'll make it. Yeah, I have 4%.
Alright, we're about to do this.
What if it's the wrong
Final
thing?
part of the video. Alright, what do I do?
Put it right there. Yeah.
Pull the lever.
Got something. What is this? Oh, it's the smiley.
Oh, we got like a squishy.
Aw,
That's actually really cool. Okay, let's teleport back. How do we get back?
wait, we can press the person thing, you know? Whatever.
Yeah, that's fine with that. Yo, we got... So you can like go come here and you can like...
Alright, this is the teleport back.
Little mobs. Alright, let's teleport back. Put the piece back.
You can. I'm not. Nope. I'm gonna see what the person thing does. Yeah, here it is. I'm gonna press it. Person. Oh! Oh, that makes it so much easier.
Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye.